Hello subscribers, today to update on the Android Auto. So I have already installed carstream from AAAD, uh, some from the internet, so APK. Then I already downloaded the carstream, so let's see what is inside my Android Auto. So click to the menu. So if you can see here, I got carstream now. Okay, so I can view YouTube now. So YouTube, can go to YouTube, so can go to music. So you can play whatever you want here. So I go to home and let's see whether we can play. Let's see anything that we can play. Let's go through here. Okay, so we can play whatever. So as you can see, so we can play whatever video in YouTube now. So enjoy. So thank you for watching. So let's see. Okay, I can. Okay, I can increase it. So try to drive out and see. I think we can drive out and see. So thank you for watching. So if you like this video, so please subscribe and share the video. Thanks. Peace.